Hey guys, so it's the first thing in the morning, and yes, I'm about to refresh my natural hair underneath my crochet braids, and I thought I would just pop in real quick and show you guys the regimen. I do this about 2 times per week. It's not necessary to do it daily, so I'll just show you guys what I do. First of all, moisture is key. And so what is more moisturizing than water? A lot of people might discredit that, but believe me, water is moisturizing. All right, so I'm starting with adding some water, just spritzing a little bit of water. And you guys might notice that in the front, it looks like individuals, but they are crochet that I used the individual technique to install. So it looks like individual, but it is crochet here all throughout. And in the back, it's regular braided down crochet technique. So just going in and spritzing the section of hair in the back. That is my own hair, which is the cornrow section. In the front, my hair is all the way throughout these braids in the front. So I have to spray, along the actual braids in order to moisturize my own hair in the front. All right, don't overdo it, just a little bit of water is fine to introduce a little bit of moisture. Then I go in with my leave-in conditioner of choice. I always use the Kinky Curly, not today. It's finishing, but yes. If I can get some. Come on, man. Yeah. Alright, so this is what it looks like. I love this leave-in conditioner so much, guys. And these braids are 4 weeks in. It's almost time to take them down. That's why it looks very frizzy. Alright, so now what I want to do is try to apply the product along the portion of the braids where my hair is. And I know that my hair is almost all the way down to the end of the braids and where the curl begins. So I'm just applying it in that portion of the hair or on that portion of the hair. And then in the back portion where the hair is braided down, I just go in underneath the braid so that I can just rub the leave-in conditioner onto those cornrows. And you just rub that in nice and good so that every inch of the hair gets some of the moisturizing goodness, right? All right, next step. I want to make sure my scalp stays healthy and nourished and moisturized. So I'm gonna go in with my Shine of Mine Nourishing Oil Blend from One True Natural. Yes, shameless plug from my own brand. So directly on the scalp. Yeah, and I'm just gonna do that over the entire front portion of the hair and then in the back in between the cornrows. Alright, so now that I've applied it all over the head, I'm gonna just use my fingertips to just go in and massage the oil into the scalp. And this massaging process will help to, make the circulation, it just kind of stimulates the circulation in the scalp, and that will help to boost growth. All right, so once that is done, pretty much, that is it. I'm just gonna do one last step, and it's to apply some of my, again, Jamaican black castor oil from One True Natural. Right, along the edges of my hair, just to make sure that the edges, you know, remain nice and healthy, and that they still maintain the thickness that I had before I installed these braids. And this oil is amazing for that. And I'm gonna go in with the middle of my hair. I believe is the weakest, so I always add some of the Jamaican black castor oil upon nice and thick, and moisturizing this oil. So I go ahead and just add some just to the middle. And guys, let me tell you something. If you do this to your hair during the period of time that you wear braids, twice a week is fine. Once you take your braids down, you'll be surprised to see how nice and healthy your hair looks and feels. Yeah, this tip is coming to you from Candy's Hair Creation and from One True Natural. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy and utilize these tips for healthier hair. Alright, until next time, take care. Talk to you guys.